Hey guys, check it out, man. First, note how the object in the foreground was rendered almost unseeable because of the laptop light off to the side. Genius move, Samsung. Man, you guys are the worst. So the ARRL International DX Contest CW edition has been trying to rage all weekend, but the solar conditions are awful. The K index is in the middle. I mean, it's bobbling around. We've got some unsettled conditions, and the bands have been relatively rotten. But and I decided not to play around in the contest. But still, as I sat here enjoying a delicious, well, we can't call it that. They were out of my beloved Pabst Blue Ribbon. But anyway, I heard a fellow, a KH7 in Hawaii, working the pack, and I decided to give him a call. Sorry for my hoarse voice. I always get in the mood to make stupid videos after I eat food, after I eat dinner, and it mucks up my throat. Right. Let's get to the contact. Oh my God, is this an intro? I need to get back to my true self and reject intros. Be well, guys. There we go, man. Second call. That was, let me take my glasses off, Kilo Hotel 7, Mexico, KH7L. Oh, God, I can't speak, man. In Hawaii, of course. It's a radio club. Hope you enjoyed, man. 73.